Hello everyone, I am Hemant Yadav, and today I am here to present our topic which is given by the Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways in the Smart India Hackathon, which is improvement of vessel operation, that is leveraging the power of deep learning to overcome the challenges of marine engineering and improve the vessel operations. Our team, the Bharat coders at the ADCET, which is working on this problem statement to help the society and the marine industry. So the short description of this problem statement, which is developing effective AI solution using deep learning that can optimize the vessel performance and reduce the cost and improve the safety. So while developing this application, there are some challenges, which is including computing, limited computing power, unreliable communication, and the low availability of data and complex vessel system, which are some challenges need to overcome, and we are developing a solution uh, for that challenges. So let us see uh, what are the key challenges in detail. So limiting computing power in a maritime environment, we have limited computing resources which are available. So we need a model which can run on which can run efficiently on devices uh, which can have low hardware support, means low compatibility. So in a second, there is unreliable communication infrastructure. So the reliable data transmission and the communication is essential for real life decision making in vessel operation. So we build the AI solution that can handle the unreliable data connection, and third, low availability of data. So here in maritime industry, we may or may not have the access to the vast amount of label data, which is essential for our uh, training of deep learning model. So we need to overcome that challenge. In complex vessel system, the vessels are equipped with a wide number of range of complex system and sensor. So gathering the data of each that system or sensor is a complex task, and it should be available to develop or train a model. So here are some articles which will demonstrate that how AI is helping or creating an impact in maritime industry. So let us see the what is the proposed solution should meet for the criteria. So the criteria are high accuracy. The model should provide high and provide the accurate prediction or recommends the related or recommendation related to vessel performance and safety. Robustness, there should be resilient. It should be resilient to the data gap and the unreliable communication for ensuring the effective effective prediction and recommendation. So scalability, the solution should be scalable to accommodate various types of vessels. So there is a various types of vessels and have various sizes also. So it should consider that scalability. So unique challenges. So there are certain cases where unique challenges to be faced in the maritime industry, such as sea conditions and navigation complexity. So the model also should prepare for that and predict effectively for that challenges also. So let us see what are the impacts and benefits. So here we are enhancing the efficiency by optimizing the vessel operation. We can reduce the fuel consumption, and which can contribute for sustainability. Cost saving, by reducing the operational cost and the better maintenance planning, we can lead the sustainable cost saving for the vessel operations. So safety is also very important priority. So here, early detection of safety issues can prevent the accidents and also can save the lives. So in global competitiveness, so by if the vessel is equipped with the AI solution, we will have a competitive edge in a global maritime market to lead the market or to dominate the market. Accessibility. The project should be user friendly and it should support a multi language so that it can be accessible for the broad range of users, including some rural area users also. So the data driven marketing, data driven decision making. So maritime professional will have access to data-driven insights, facilitating for decision making. So let us see what is our approach, it's our team's approach, build the application for this problem statement. So here we are creating the application which will be user friendly and should work with online and offline functionalities to optimize the vessel with the multi-language support. As we have discussed, multi-language support uh, creates accessibility for broad range of users. So it should be lightweight, as we have discussed. The by creating lightweight, it could be Mm, it could reduce the limiting computing power challenge and along with the uh, complementary server uh, to enhance the vessel operation. So in AI model or deep learning model, we are using transfer learning so that it should have high accuracy for predicting the uh, predicting for develop so there is a explainable AI term or a concept which is used here so that it should provide a clear and transparent explanation for the prediction, and optimizations should be made by the AI model. Uh, in SMS based communication at the server side to bridge the connectivity gap in the remote maritime areas. This facilitates the exchange of critical information, reports, and updates with the maritime professional and the vessel operators who have limited or no internet connectivity. So here we have used so here we have we also included a maritime professional which is also there for reviewing the reports uh, reviewing the reports of predictions made by the model. So here when model will predict the report and send to the maritime worker, it also sends that information to the maritime professional also, so that uh, we also have the one person who can review and give his feedback on his experience, so that there should not be any trust issue, because of there should not be any trust issue. So for trust issues there are maritime professional. So there is a chatbot support uh, when authority or professional is not available. So, in for robust security and privacy, means for securing the data, users' data, and other informations, critical informations, we have a backup system and to safeguard the sensitive maritime data. So let us see the use case diagram. So this is the basic use case diagram where there is a register login feature for each user and authority. So User or a worker can click a picture or send information about the problem, and this information is read by the system, which is our AI model, which will predict, creates the report of the prediction, and sends the report to the user as well as the professional. The professional will review the report, and it will give his feedback, his own feedback, or if the report is correct, and he also feels that the all the information or a prediction or recommendation solution is correct, it will pass the feedback as it is, and if there is any changes, he will create the changes and make again create the reviewed report and send that report to the user. Again, there is one other functionality which is very crucial we have added, that when maritime professional passes his report, it will also updates in the database, and this updated database is used to train the model for the newer version. So it makes a big change that the data set or database grows as we use the application, and for the next version, when we are creating the new version, we can use the new database with the older one, so that we can get new problems, new challenges with the so that the model can predict the new challenges also in the newer version. So model learns with its usage, that when every uh, challenges come, or every prediction is made, that is labeled and stored in the database, so that while next time we are training the model, we can train that data set also, because it is verified by the professional, so there is no chance of wrong labeling of the data. So let us see what is technical technology stack. So there is Python and TensorFlow Hub, Tensor for transfer learning libraries like MobileNet, and Keras, Embark, NLP, natural language processing is used for multi-language support, and MongoDB is used as a database which runs no SQL, and the Flutter is used for mobile application development, and the Django is for server development. So let us see what are the use cases. So this app has two functionalities, offline and online. In offline mode, when there is no internet connection, the worker can still get report by the deep learning model and the explainable AI. So in an online mode, when a worker gets the deep learning model and explainable AI report also, but that report is also sent to the maritime professional, and he can review that report and send his feedback through SMS and online app notification or a chat notification. So if a worker have any query regarding to a professional's feedback or a model's report, he can communicate with the professional via SMS or chat feature inside the application. The SMS feature could be work as a offline, and the chat feature will work as a online. So worker can also use the chatbot for help inside the app in online mode. Maritime professional is not available, so he can use the chatbot for his support when when maritime professional is not available, and this feature is work in online mode. So let us see what are the dependencies and showstoppers. So for dependency, there should be low internet connectivity. User with poor or no internet connectivity will unable to upload the information to the server. Means by uploading information to the server, it will uh, send the report to the professional. So if there is no internet connectivity, he will still get the report by the deep learning model, but he will not able to get the feedback of the maritime professional. Device requirement: the user should have a smartphone, and the smartphone should have at least 1 GB RAM and enough storage for the installation of application and store the information or images. So limited chatbot support. Chatbot can help up to some extent to the worker due to the limited technical knowledge of the chatbot when maritime professional is not available. So we can access the chatbot, but he can also give us recommendation up to some extent only, because uh, we have not self we have not separate chatbot. We are just using general chatbot for our help. So that was it. Thank you for watching.